All right, guys. One thing I noticed about this one here, I was just trying to pick it. When I put the key in, I was only able to turn it backwards here, and then I had to flick it real quick. I don't have a plug spinner, so I'm gonna pick it this way, and maybe it will be nicer this way. Let's see. Oh, I can't even go. Get in there. I don't know. Maybe this isn't the right hook for this because this is a deep cut, as they say, where I'm from. Let's go. Is that a false set or is that just... I can't tell. What is really going on in here? This is nasty. It doesn't feel good in there. Oh. Oh. Getting excited. I want to zip it, but I'm pretty sure I can't do that with this one. This is just wizardry in here. So I do not think you can pick this. Definitely not. Oh man. I'm gonna just try this thing. Try this out just to see. I don't know, man. It doesn't feel good. That's not happening, man. I'm gonna switch to a deeper hook, man. And switch to something like... I don't know. I got something deep here. Let's go. Just reset it. This is definitely not one of those quick videos. This is not one of those short type videos. This is a diabolical lock that I pinned up, and I can't even get these pins to move in here. This is wild. I just bent the hook. Oh man, I just bent that. Wow. Well, I'm going to keep tension on here. I'm going to try another tool. Let's try this guy here. We got here the old diamond. Let's see if I can feel around in there. What is going on in there? Just lost one. The others are overset. I can't get it. Can I get this one, man? This is a diabolical lock. Holy moly. Holy moly, I don't even know, guys.